Welcome back to Cooking with Cass. Today we're going to be making a super spicy version of a honey garlic chicken. We'll start off by removing the fat from some halal chicken breasts available at the link in the description. Once the fat's all removed, cut the chicken into large chunks. I made mine about an inch or two long and an inch or so wide, but whatever size you prefer should work here. Once that's all cut up, we'll season it with 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, half a tablespoon of chili flakes, half a teaspoon of pepper, and then give that a mix. Once each piece of chicken is coated in our seasoning, we'll add in a 1/4 cup of flour and mix it up until all the flour is absorbed. Finally, we'll massage 2 tablespoons of olive oil into the chicken, then we'll cover and refrigerate that while we prepare our vegetable. You could really use any vegetable here, but I really like broccoli, so I went with that. To start, I seasoned it with salt and pepper, then I coated the broccoli in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. The oil is going to help keep our brock from drying out as this bakes in a moment. Give that a thorough mixing, and once the oil is all over the broccoli, we'll call it good. On a parchment paper lined baking sheet, we'll place our chicken and our broccoli, then we'll move that over to the oven and bake at 450 for about 15 minutes. While that cooks, we'll whip up our spicy honey garlic sauce by combining 6 cloves of grated garlic, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil, 1/3 cup of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of honey, and 4 tablespoons of gochujang chili paste. Now we'll whisk that up so it's smooth and move it over to the oven. After 15 minutes is up, we'll remove those from the oven, place our broccoli in a mixing bowl to keep it from overcooking, then we'll cover our chicken in our sauce. Make sure to mix it up so the sauce fully coats the chicken. Don't use all the sauce though, we want to keep some to top our chicken and our veggies later. Now we'll put that back in the oven and bake until the sauce has glazed our chicken. This takes about 6 or 7 minutes. And that's it, remove the chicken and serve over rice with the broccoli, a drizzle of sauce, some sliced green onions, and finish with some sesame seeds. I hope you enjoyed our spicy take on honey garlic chicken. If you did, let us know in the comments. We'll see you next week with another great halal recipe.